Hello, great champions. I believe you're doing good and you're keeping safe. It's time for Arts and Crafts. Last week, we made a bird and I saw what you all did. You did so well. I'm proud of you. Well done. This time around, we're making something beautiful. Give a guess. Ta-da! We're making a cloud with raindrops. A cloud with raindrops. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. So we will be making this today. Let's take a look at the materials needed for making the cloud with raindrops. First, you need a piece of cardboard, pieces of white paper, a top bond or a water glue, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a cardboard of this size. Any colored cardboard paper. Let's take a look at the steps in making the cloud with raindrops. First, you get the background and we get a piece of cardboard. We're going to draw out a cloud. Cut it out. Set aside. Next is to cut out the raindrops. You can cut out as many as you want. Aside. Then we start pasting. We apply the glue to the cloud. And give the cloud to your child to paste. Next, we apply glue for the raindrops. And give the raindrops to your child to start pasting. Your child can paste as many raindrops And we have a cloud with raindrops. Wow! Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. Why don't you have fun making your own cloud with raindrops? Have a wonderful day and remember to keep safe. Bye!